Hello, it's me, and I have a new box from one of my absolute favorite 3D designers, Raphael. So he has come up with all of those incredible octahedrons, ghost octahedrons, axis octahedrons. And there's something missing from my collection, something I didn't have, and I thought I would turn to him because I figured this would be best done not by way of a modification, but by way of a three-dimensional design, and his quality is second to none, so why not? Actually, I'll go like this. Get this out of the way. There we go. Alright, so nicely packaged. Cut through the topsoil and the bottom soil. Where is it? Okay, so whatever could this be? What was missing from my collection? I guess a couple things were missing from my collection. This is interesting. What is this? Let me see. Oh, I love it when he does this. He adds these things here. This is merci beaucoup. Oh. It means merci beaucoup. Thank you very much, John.
Shout out to you.
Yes, thank you, Jessica. And I've got stickers. I've got to say, this might not be what I thought it was, but I'm very excited to see what it is. Well, let's see. I'm going to cut through this part first. Okay, we have something fascinating. Oh, yes, I have a suspicion of what this is. So you've heard of the volcano cube. This is the next extension above that. So this has 3 layers. This is a Pyraminx cross cube, basically. And it's exactly the way I imagined it would be, smooth moving. Again, second to none in terms of, now does this terminal layer turn to, oh, I don't know, maybe it doesn't. So these all turn very smooth. This moves very smoothly too. I don't think this terminal layer here turns, but these turn, and these turn really, really good. So I was fascinated when I saw this. So basically it's a cross cube, but it's a cross Pyraminx. Now, once again, I'm just wondering if this terminal area is supposed to turn. I'm going to say I don't think it does. Wow, but it is very, very smooth. So it appears that this is all one. No, it appears that these two are all one piece. And again, I would think this moves. But so I'm going to come back with this. But once again, the movement. I love the playability of Raphael's puzzles. Alright, so let's see what else we got. Boy, I feel like it's Christmas or Hanukkah or Festivus or something. Alright, now we have another Pyraminx. Boy, I'm so used to thinking of him as doing octahedral puzzles, but now he's branching into Pyraminx puzzles. That's Shim territory, if you know what I mean. He's the guy who made all the Royal Pyraminxes and whatnot. This is wrapped really nicely in here. Jessica, do you see this? Isn't that cool?
Yeah, it's cool. That's really cool.
Yeah, it's cool. You see it too, Evan? Alright, so this feels like a very solid puzzle. Wow, alright, what do we got here? So what do we think this is? This is, let's see how it moves. Alright, so we're moving over here. I have a suspicion this is a dodecahedral, how you call it, a dodecahedral transformation into a Pyraminx, which I'm always fascinated with. So I think this is a kilominx to triangular to pyramidal puzzle. So yeah, I have other puzzles like this where oh boy, it scrambles pretty well. So I think this is a kilominx to a pyramid transformation. This is a really fun puzzle, and I think I just scrambled it accidentally, which is fine. Can I get it back, Jessica? I think I scrambled it. What shall I do? Should I just continue to scramble it? Or should I see if I can't maybe find my way home? Well, this goes here. The movement is so smooth, you can tell it just loves to move. Okay, well, I guess I might as well just keep going. Alright, so now this is over here. Okay, well, maybe, did I salvage it? Is it salvageable, or shall I continue? Boy, it only took a couple of turns to really get confusing. Okay, well, that's what this is, and you can see the scrambling of it is interesting. 1, 2, up. 1, 2, up. 1, 2, down. 1, 2, and down. Okay, there it is. A partial scramble and a partial solve. But this is a triangular Mega Minx, a very clean looking and very playable puzzle. Really likes to move though. So here are my triangular versions here. And now we have this guy. And let's take a look at this. This is a big one, much bigger one. And I have a feeling that this is the star attraction. Alright, it's a big, okay. So this is the one for the books. This is the one that really caught my attention. This is one I've actually been waiting for a long time. So this is, it looks like an Iton star. It's an icosahedron, but it's a circle puzzle. And it has all the looks as you'd expect. So let's see how the movement is. But you can see it's a 20-sided. So starting off here. Now this is a very complex puzzle, but as you can see, as I turn this circle is stationary. Now I like, for the purity of the puzzle, them all to be stationary. I'm not really much into the planetary versions. But I'm very much impressed with this. I mean, I enjoyed Iton Stars. I'd have to say that the movement can be challenging sometimes. This really has gotten it figured out. So let's look at some of the scrambling type moves. So you can see, now this one I don't want to partially scramble as of yet. But here's a little taste of what that looks like. It's pretty incredible. Now because this is an edge turner, it can also jumble. So let's see what we can do with jumbling moves. I can take this here. Now the Iton Star, turns out the jumbling doesn't contribute too much to the scramble or the solve. It's just something to get past, but it might cause something here. Let's see how we can work out a jumbling maneuver here. If it jumbles, maybe somehow, aha! No, the jumbling was not taken out. Very smooth. I'm really impressed with how complex this puzzle is and how easy it moves. I think it even moves better than the Iton Star. So here's here's a jumbling move over here, and then I can take it to here. Ah, there we go. Yeah, so the jumbling is very seamless. So this is a professionally made puzzle of the highest degree. Somebody just designing this in their own room, their own basement. Look what he can do. Look what Raphael did. Just without having a company or a corporation, it's just amazing. There, so you can see that here's some more. So there you have it. This is the star attraction over here. Turn this over here as well. And that's the circle Iton Star with substitution stickers. I like the color pattern too. I like how you see these colors are very similar to each other. So this is really well thought out. Just a very well thought out puzzle. Okay, just to be clear, I want to get the names right. So this is a tetrahedral Kilominx. So this is the, it's basically a pyramidal, so that is a tetrahedral Kilominx. This is called the Tharsis. The Tharsis. So this is like the volcano cube, but sort of, I guess, the next level up with that, including the trivial tips. Yeah, I don't want to push it, but you'd think that this might move over there, but I guess not. And this is not the circle Iton Star. This is actually circle Radiolarian, which makes sense because this looks more like a Radiolarian. So this is a very nice addition to the collection. I look forward to. Now this is going to take me probably a long time to solve, maybe an even longer time to figure out. So once again, Raphael, fantastic work. I'm a great admirer of your work, and I can't wait to continue. This is really a clever color scheme because everywhere you look at it, there's a continuity with it. So fantastic job. Just works of art. Especially this guy. It's amazing. Anyway, there you have it. Thanks for watching.